Hello friends, today again we'll be solving a question related to signal system, and this is a topic of Fourier transform. So let's start. Uh, it says x e power j omega, that is the Fourier transform, is already given, and it is 5 for omega minus 0.424 pi to plus 0.4 pi. So that is shown here. Okay, so this is already given to us. Okay, this is 0.4 pi and this is 0.4 pi minus 0.4 pi to 0.4 pi, because if you expand this is what you will get, and it is 0 elsewhere. So here it is 0, here it is 0. So this is what is given. So what is he asking us? He's asking us to find the value of x of n at n equal to 0. Okay, so this can be again, we can use various approaches to do this question, but the best approach is to use the properties of Fourier transform. So let's start. The property that we'll be using is concerned with the definition of inverse Fourier transform. Okay, the inverse Fourier transform is given as 1 by 2 pi into 1 by 2 pi into this integration. Okay, so this integration is minus pi to pi x of e power j omega uh, e power n omega j n omega d omega. Okay, so what we can do here is, if I substitute x equal to 0 here, okay, so what do I get? I get 1 by 2 pi integration minus pi to pi, okay, x e power j omega, and I get e power j 0 omega, so that is equal to 1. Okay, because n equal to 0, so you get is this thing. Okay, now what you can interpret this as is area under the curve from minus pi to pi, okay, of x e power j omega. Okay, so this is what is the interpretation. Okay, this is the area under the curve, but you know that it exists only from minus 0.4 pi to 0.4 pi. So what you can do is you can write it like this: 1 by 2 pi minus 0.4 pi to 0.4 pi, okay, x e power j omega into d omega. Now this is the area under the curve. Okay, this is the area under the curve from minus 0.4 pi to plus 0.4 pi. Okay, that can easily be reduced from here. So this is the area under the curve. Okay, okay, so you know what is the base of this? The base is, okay, 0.8 pi, because it is from minus 0.4 pi to 0.4 pi, so it is 0.8 pi, and the height is 5. So the area is just the area of this rectangular region. So what we can write is area of, if I write area here, area of the curve, okay, so area of the curve is 0.8 pi into 5. Okay, that comes out to be 4 pi if you multiply it. Okay, so that that is equal to this integration. Okay, so we can write it as x of 0 is equal to 1 by 2 pi into, okay, we can write this as 4 pi. This entire thing is the area under the curve, so this is 4 pi. Okay, so you get the answer as 2. So x of 0 is 2. Okay, so this is how you can proceed with the problem related to the area under the curve. Okay, so thanks for watching.